Alright, so for the snap change, you need 2 cards. Let's make them look different, so not like 2 of spades and 2 of clubs. What you're going to do, line them up like this. You can just start with it. You don't need to do a second card. What's it called? Second, 2 cards. There you go. You don't need to get 2 cards off the top. You can just start with it. So you're going to be in this position. You got your thumb on the back bottom corner, and you got your middle finger and pointer on the corner as well. What you're doing is when you go to snap it, it's exactly like a snap. You pull your middle finger back, your thumb and your pointer stay in the exact same position, and your middle finger pulls the card down and around and slides it on the back of the thumb. So to the audience, it looks like this. But from back here, it looks like this. Big difference. So one more time through. Middle finger pulls it back, pointer and thumb stay in the same position, and it pulls it back and around. So if you're having trouble, something like that, it's going on like that, you can't get it to go around, might be because you're holding it directly in the center. You want to be on that bottom corner to make that snap effect. So just like snapping, so if you can snap, you can do this trick.